for reference ng old ex-cadets. So this is where I'm standing, is I think the Jurado, or that might be the Jurado Hall, the old Jurado Hall. And then here's the old walling, for walling natin, for tennis. And then the swimming pool. Mga kadete ba yan?
Yes, sir.
Core squad? Are you core squad?
No, sir.
No?
Just practicing my squad mates.
Just practicing with your squad mate?
Yes, sir.
Yearlings? Oh, Plebo?
Yes, sir.
The two of them, and you're the
Second
buddy, the second class?
squad mate. Yes, sir.
Okay. Are they able to go swim na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me see. Kasi I'm just looking at the old, parang extension lang yata yan eh. I don't know if I don't remember that part na Okay, can you
Yes,
to so this is the PMA swimming pool
yes, sir.
with second class and two of his plebes. He's training them to swim. Okay.
Men's existence.
Okay.